Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB continues to be in this very strange wave pattern. I completely dislike this entire structure here. It's a very strange structure, but my primary expectation is at the moment that we have a good chance to move up from here. But I don't think this drop that started here at $317 is over yet. It looks like we should ideally get a bit lower. The price structure just doesn't suggest yet an impulsive move to the upside from here. Also, it looks rather unfinished. So my view would be that we ideally get into this region between 265 and 285 US dollars before we move up. Yeah, this is not, the problem is this is not a great chart at the moment anymore. Well, generally the BNB chart is a good chart, but it's sort of this mess here triggered by the FTX issue that creates a lot of issues also on the Medic chart. So it just shows at the moment there is a lot of uncertainty in the market, right? But it really looks like that this move up, this move down here isn't finished yet. Defined my key support area for a possible wave 2, and from here we could then move up in a third wave. I can give you a target for that as well. So first of all, ideally drop into the region between 265 and 286 or 285. 1 second. Yeah, let's say 286 and 265. That's based on the fib levels here of wave 1. Here between the 78.6% fib level and the 50% fib level. Yeah. And from here we could then move up in a third wave. So it depends, obviously, in the end, it depends on how low do we really go. But let's say we go all the way down of this box, then the target for the third wave would be 376 US dollars. So this is all valid as long as we're holding the $265 level. So if we drop below that, it would just increase the likelihood that this sort of bullish potential doesn't work out. Yeah, at the moment I've got it labeled as a wave 1, a leading diagonal, then here a wave 2, and that we are now in a wave 3. It's absolutely possible because we made with this low here a new low compared to that one. And that was actually quite important. I described that in one of the previous videos. The yellow count ABC, where the C wave ends below the A wave, and that is exactly what we normally need to see. And then we saw quite a strong reaction to the upside, which is also what you want to see. And the move, disregard all of this, yeah, but the move from the low looks much better than even what Ethereum did. So I really like that. And we talked about an upcoming retracement in wave 2, which is happening now. Just think it would ideally drop a little bit lower before it moves up, right? What I cannot rule out is that we lose this wave 2 support area and go down deeper. That would be a different wave count. Well, it would still be a 1-2 setup. Wave 1 up, wave 2 down. But it would not be an ABC, it would be a WXY highlighted here in green. And the Y wave can come down a bit lower, all the way down to 215, 215. And generally what you need to see or understand, as long as we stay above $215, there is nothing bearish on this chart, at least not short-term bearish either. Yeah, this is a support area for this wider wave 2, highlighted here in yellow. And, you know, you've got the potential either to start from here or to go down and then start from there. These are two bullish options. They are not too far away from each other. They are, let's say you go into this area and start from here, or you drop all the way down and start from there. Well, anywhere in the green area, really. We talk about maybe 20% price difference. That's not massive in crypto. They can do that in a day or two, or even in a week, not too much. So therefore, my idea is to maybe scale in here in triangle shape, right? Which means lower position size up here, and then as we get closer to the stop loss, large position size to keep the risk minimal. But it's only that below 215, that's also somewhere where I will set my stop loss. Below that level, it is most likely going to drop to around $120, $100, right? And but even then, you know, the long-term chart is not damaged or anything. It would just mean a much longer drop and bear market for BNB. But at the moment, yeah, short-term downside, but then at some point here very shortly also the upside ideally. in this yellow wave 3. Okay, and that's my update about BNB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.